Can plasma replace laundry? No, probably not. But let's chat about it. Hello, my name is Greg Friedman. I'm a PhD bioengineer focused on research in plasma. And on this channel, I just like chat about sciencey stuff, and this is the Can Plasma series. So can plasma replace laundry? Well, first of all, what is laundry? Dirty clothes, soiled in oil and garden dirt and grass and some dog poop? No, I can't see anything plasma can do there. It's not magic. It's a strong oxidative environment, but not enough to remove the dirt. Modern detergents are just freaking perfect at, without destroying the color, without messing with your clothing, helping remove dirt. But not so much bacteria, viruses, fungal spores, and stuff like that. So what would be the biggest concerns? Well, your gym clothes. If you go to a public gym, lots of people sit on those benches, and yeah, you're supposed to wipe, but do people really, and do they do a good job? So probably your gym clothes could be kind of questionable for bacterial contamination, and hospital environments. So hospital clothing or clothing you wear if you go to the hospital. So that should be not necessarily sterilized. Sterilization is virtually a complete kill of all the microbes and the spores and the biofilms. We don't necessarily need to do that, but we should disinfect. And things like MRSA, MRSA, the superbug, methicillin-resistant Staph aureus, C. diff, Acinetobacter, fungal spores, biofilms. There isn't much that the laundry machine, the washing machine, is designed to do. Dryer, on the other hand, hot air dryer, can do a pretty good job at killing things, but not so much spores. So yeah, plasma could be helpful. And the idea that we actually proposed at some point, though never got funded, is you go washing machine first to get rid of the dirt and the oil and whatever crap is on the clothing and the bed sheets, and then use plasma treatment before the dryer. So plasma will kill all active vegetative bacteria. It will significantly damage, if not completely eliminate, spores, both bacterial spores and fungal spores. And viruses actually are pretty easy to kill, and plasma is known to kill all sorts of viruses, including prions, which are these infectious proteins. So can plasma replace laundry? I don't think so. Not in the sense that we're using the word laundry. But plasma can certainly augment or add some really cool qualities to your laundering system, especially if you add it right before the dryer. Why before the dryer? Well, you're already using heat in your dryer, and that heat will pretty much eliminate all of the residual stuff like oxidizers, ozone, peroxide that plasma creates will be destroyed in the dryer cycle. So that's perfect. Wash, plasma, dry. We can even incorporate plasma into a dryer. And yeah, that's pretty much all I can say about plasma replacing laundry. If you have cool, interesting questions, especially if they start with can plasma, please post them down in the comment section and I'll answer them if I can. Peace. I'll see you in the next one.